Hey people, so this is how the pond homestay looks, and actually that's what there in the far distance. The place Valapparai is very close to Munnar in Kerala. So yesterday we were walking through these tea estates. It was really beautiful. And this is how the place looks. It's got a very cute feel to it. Hello. Yeah. So and this is so at 6:15 in the morning when you're doing a video, it's that's what the dawn is yet to break. I mean, once the sunrise, then it'll be far warmer. Right now it's pretty cold, but this feels so nice to do a recording here because it is such a cute and cozy place to stay. So so that's what it is. And we got this whole set of photos in the group that were like awesome. Just looking forward to taking more trips with Hyderabad Travel Diaries because these folks do an amazing job, yeah. And see, this is how this cute place looks like. So, on, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.